How's your morning going on?
Yes, very good morning. And my morning is so far very productive, very nice. Yes.
Yeah. Please tell me something about yourself in a little
My-
bit.
Myself, Gyan Agnihotri, and I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am basically English language teacher. I teach in government school, 11, 12 students English literature. On top of that, I am also English communication coach. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Geeta Thakur. I am from Uttarakhand and I am a teacher in a private school. Apart from this, I am running my YouTube channel named Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. That's all about me.
Yes, very
Yeah.
good. Very nice.
Sir,
Yes.
I would love to know about your English journey. That since
Yes.
when you have started.
Yes, for learning, if you just talk about my learning English. So when I was in school kid, and I
Hmm.
was always very fond of English speaking. So I used to watch English cricket match on TV, cricket matches, and their English commentary. Also, listen English commentary on the radio. So that time I was not able to fully understand English. So English commentary I was not able to understand. So that made me my passion to learn English. So I started learning English from then. But in our school village school, there was no English environment, no English teachers, not proper infrastructure to learn English, environment to learn English. So, but I was fond. So I started learning from since then. So we have first learned translation and lots of things I have learned, and then I learn a lot. But the real thunder, the real revolutions come in my life of English speaking basically is once
Hmm.
I got idea about YouTube, internet came, and I got introduced about internet, and I started watching YouTube videos and YouTube videos, and that made my English very nice. I after watching one English video, I try to speak the same English video, and that made my English very nice. My English became so good that I can speak to anyone, including you. Yes,
Yeah, I am noticing, sir. And it's really a great platform, YouTube and other online platform, because they give us a big platform to explore ourselves. Yes,
Mhm.
really. So, sir, how do you spend your time throughout the day?
Yes. So basically, I just wake up early in the morning, and then I just go for walk and my own daily routine. And after that, I started teaching from early morning 6 o'clock online English speaking. So I just teach 6 to 9, and 9 o'clock I just get ready for my school, and 9:30 I leave my home to school. And then I just come back from my school around 5:30, and from 6 o'clock again I start teaching online. And 6 to 9 I teach, and then I have my own dinner and 30 minutes. You can say that I watch news and TV, play with my kids. Then around 10 o'clock I just go for school.
Yeah, that's great. So, sir, do you teach spoken English or other
Spoken
subjects
English.
as well?
Spoken English
Spoken
in
English.
online only spoken English, and in school only the English.
Wow, that's great. So, if suppose there is any beginners, from where you start to make them teach?
Yes, so firstly for the beginners it's very important to they must get notice about how to frame sentences. And for the framing of the sentences, they must understand the sentence pattern, grammatical patterns. There are the six frequently used grammatical patterns. Once you will learn the grammatical pattern, six frequently used grammatical patterns, you will be able to frame sentences instantly without thinking, naturally. And for that, you need to just focus how the sentence is being framed. And the
Hmm.
biggest challenge, the biggest problem with the students are they are just trying to learn translation. And because you will learn translation, that is not going to help you. You need to
Yes.
learn how to frame sentences. Okay. So for the pattern is very important. So there are six frequently used pattern. Firstly, secondly, you need to focus on the chunks. 3 to 4 words
Hmm.
are coming together, and these chunks will actually help you to speak more better and powerful English.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
definitely. Yeah, this is the right approach that you are approaching. Yes. So, sir, apart from English, what are your hobbies? How do you love to enjoy your free time?
Yes. Actually, it's my free time. I do not have so much free time, but whenever I just get free time, so I just love to explore lots of other areas. Basically, I'm also trying to learn YouTube and how you can
Mhm.
become more successful in YouTube. And actually, the YouTube is a great platform, and you can also become very successful in YouTube if you have learned it fully. Second thing, that's the I also learned to get knowledge about the market, share market. This is
Yes.
also my hobby. That's my hobby.
Yeah. Really, actually, there is no era where from where we cannot get any information. On YouTube, each and every kind of information is available. Yes, we can do business and we can improve our skills as well, and we can learn something. We can upgrade ourselves. Yeah, everything is there. Yes, but what is needed, that is the strong desire
Yes,
to
that's most
learn
important.
something. Yes. So, sir, do you love reading as well?
Yes, I also love reading, and I have learned. I have read all great plays of William Shakespeare, all plays, William Shakespeare plays, and also I have read lots of motivational books, self-help books, and yes, you can ask me about any book and any topic. I can just give you any.
Yeah, actually, if I talk about me, when it comes to me, though I am also a book lover, but I don't get much time to just read about any fiction novel. I just go with short stories because it takes less time. Hardly in 5 to 10 minutes, I can complete one story, and apart from one story, I can get lots of new vocabs and sentence structure as well. And sometimes there are 3 or 4 idioms as well where we can practice. Yeah,
Hmm. Yes, well,
because I think if the person who is just want to learn this language, so they should work upon all the 4 aspects of English, like listening, reading, writing, speaking. All are must. Though at a starting level, speaking and listening is must. But
yes,
after that, when we are paying attention on our listening and speaking, after that we can pay attention on other aspects as well, like writing and speaking, listening.
yes, very
Yeah,
true.
really. So, do you have any question for me?
Yes, sure. So first, I would like to know about your school and what things you teach in your school.
Yeah, actually, in my school, I teach GK and maths up to class fifth. Yeah, and my school is an English medium school, and I just do practice with my students as well. I always speak in English with my students so that and they will also get atmosphere, and I can also provide a good learning to all of them.
Yes, well. So can you also share about your English learning journey so far?
Yeah, sure. Actually, it was the time when I had taken one resolution in 2024, January 2024, that by hook or by crook, I have to just build up my speaking skill. I have to get fluency in my speaking. Before that, I was doing everything like listening, reading, writing. But one part where I was lacking, it was speaking. I was little bit introvert, so I was not paying attention on my speaking skills. But it was affecting my personality as well. So I thought that I should practice on my speaking skills as well. So in the month of January and February, I made conversation with other co-learners as we are making this time. That time I haven't started my YouTube channel. But after 2 months of practice and getting appreciation with others, so that you should start. So I started my channel in the month of March only, March 2024. And now I am persistent with my journey. I just take one conversation class per day for my speaking. Yeah.
Yes, it's great. So can you also share about your YouTube journey so far?
YouTube journey. So as I told you that in the month of March only I have started my channel, and there are 544 plus means something 60, 560, 567. Yeah, subscribers on my channel. Yeah.
Very good. Yes.
Yes. Because this month only I have completed my 560 plus subscribers.
It's great.
Hmm.
Yes. If you have any questions, please ask.
Yes, sir. Do you want to enlighten my channel with your learning? You can. Because I
Yeah.
have seen your video with Preeti ma'am where you were just giving advice.
About YouTube
Yeah.
now.
Hmm.
Actually, in the YouTube, actually, the YouTube or any journey, what you need to actually learn that one thing that is to follow. Follows. There are some specific patterns, and you have to follow. You have to understand those patterns,
Hmm.
and once you will follow those patterns consistently for a long time, consistently, so
Hmm.
you will start getting right result. Start getting right result. And the YouTube has actually, I think that the three things is very important. Three things. The firstly, the title, and title, which title actually you are making video. Title. Title is very important, right? Second thing that is the thumbnail,
Hmm.
and third thing is topic. Topic. The three things: title, topic, and thumbnail. And the more better you will create these three things, so that people must search, must love to
Yes.
click your videos. What
Yeah.
idea? Why we click one video? Why we do not click other video? Because your video must be this kind curious that people must, once they are just coming, they must click on this video.
Hmm.
And
Really.
this curiosity, you need to create that curiosity. So people click it. And once they will click it, now inside the video, it must be engaging. Your conversation must be engaging. Your just editing must be engaging, appealing. So people love to watch the video, love to remain
Yes,
this video.
definitely.
This
Because
is very important.
when we are just giving something that is from for the others interest, so definitely if our content is good, so others are going to watch you. Yeah.
Yes, very nice. And one more thing I would like to do. That's very important. That's because the what happens, your video must be coming in the suggestion of the next video. Now I have watched your one video. Now what happened? Now I will not search your another video. I'm not going to
Hmm.
search. Okay. Now your video must be coming in the next phase. Must be coming in the suggestion that if I am just leaving your one video, I just go in the your another video. That is the suggestion. And now you have to
Hmm.
think about that, how you can come out with the idea that your video must be coming with your suggestion. And for that, I am telling you one simple trick. One simple trick.
What?
Simple trick is you need to put your channel name, channel link, channel name multiple times. Multiple times. Again, I'm repeating. In different style is in the channel description, in the description of the video, in the text of
Hmm.
the video, and also one time at least in the title. In the title, link. Put your
Okay.
links. So what happens? What your the links and your name will get matched. So what happens? Your next video will start coming in the suggestion. So people will watch your another videos. What I do?
Yeah, that's
You need
good. Yeah.
you need to engage your audience in your videos. And once you
Hmm.
will learn fully, I am telling you, your channel will grow fast. Actually, I'm not able to just give my more time for my channel. So,
Yeah.
but now I'm learning something. So that is the first thing. I'm just trick is very simple. Now, suppose that the Gita Thakur. So Gita Thakur just in the text just put the Gita Thakur English. Gita Thakur English conversation. Now this is the kind you need to create text.
Hmm.
Gita Thakur English speaking practice. This is the way you have to produce the text and put it, and also in your description. This is the way you will create the links and the so your video will start coming on the suggestion. Every single video, put it, and your channel will be become rocket. Yes.
Yeah, sir. Really, you have great knowledge about YouTube as well, and whatever insights you are giving to me, it's really marvelous. Actually, as I told you that I'm passionate about this language, I am learning here, and it's good thing if side by side I am getting these all as well. And really, first of all, we are here for learning, and if our motive is completing, and with our motive I am gaining something, so it is good thing, because whatever we are getting, we should not think that what kind of thing we are getting, and how we can make it useful in our life. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes. So this is the thing only, when I am just trying to be fluent in this language. So I am giving my 100%. I am just paying attention on my thumbnail as well, and articles, and sometimes whatever content I am presenting. I just think that I should give something new to my viewers, so that their interest would be remain in watching my channel. And apart from this, I am consistent. I upload one video on daily basis. Though I have not great knowledge about YouTube, but yet by the love and others blessings, I am also improving smoothly, and I am happy with that. Yeah.
Yes, great.
So really, really, sir, it has been a great time with you. I think we
Thank
should
you.
wind up the session now.
Sure, sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for approaching me. Bye bye.
Bye bye.